What are we making today?
Mayonnaise! Mayonnaise!
Today we're making homemade mayonnaise, and this is the easiest method you'll ever use. No whisking, no slowly drizzling oil, just one jar and an immersion blender. And if my 3-year-old can make this, you can too. So first we'll start with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. This adds flavor, but it also helps stabilize this emulsion as you make it. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. You could use lemon juice or different vinegars. I just really like white wine vinegar in this. It adds a little bit of acidity and really balances out the richness of the mayonnaise. Then we'll add 2 whole eggs and they go right into the jar. My daughter was able to make the egg into the jar, but for some reason my son missed the jar completely. He completely missed. Not a big deal, it's okay. This is one of the reasons why I love this recipe. There's no precision timing, no delicate whisking. If you miss the jar, you just wipe it up and crack another one, or like we did in this case, we just pick up that egg and put it in the jar. Now we add 2 cups of oil right to the same jar. And I'm using a light olive oil, but you can use pretty much any oil you want here. Avocado oil, grapeseed oil, even a neutral vegetable oil. But I recommend sticking with something light and neutral. If you use a strong extra virgin olive oil, your mayonnaise is going to taste like that oil. And that might not be the flavor you're used to. Now place the immersion blender straight down in the jar and make sure it's touching the very bottom, right where the egg yolks are. Turn it on and don't move it yet. You'll see it start to turn white and creamy from the bottom up. That's the emulsion forming. Then you just slowly start lifting the blender up. As you lift, you're pulling the remaining oil down into the emulsion. We took our time with this just to make sure we didn't break it. You can actually move a little faster than we did. We were just being extra careful. Classically, when you make mayonnaise, whether you're whisking by hand or using a stand mixer, you have to add the oil very slowly, almost drop by drop at first. That's how you build the emulsion. And if you add it too fast, it breaks. But this method is different. This is by far the easiest way to make mayonnaise because everything goes into the jar at once. No slow drizzle, no constant whisking. For this to work though, it's important that you start the immersion blender all the way at the bottom, with the egg underneath and the oil sitting on top. Let the emulsion form at the base first, then slowly lift the blender up through the oil. As long as you start at the bottom and lift slowly, this works every single time. Once it's fully emulsified, that's your base mayonnaise. It should be thick, creamy, and smooth like this.
What?
Are you sure?
Yeah, Daddy.
From here, you can adjust it however you like. A little more salt, a squeeze of lemon, some fresh garlic, maybe a little sriracha if you like it spicy. And the best part is you made it from scratch with just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have. This is one of those recipes that proves cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated. Just a little bit. It's simple, it's forgiving, and it works. If you enjoy cooking like this, we'd love to have you. Come gather at our table.
Now do we have to be cool, cute?